forgot the mistletoe.
2, 3, whoa! Got it.
You got a kiss on your cheek. Is that funny, Lincoln? Is that so silly? That's funny. Whoa, it's coming down. Goodness gracious. Can't believe how green this tree still is. We could probably keep it up all year, Steven. Is that funny, Lincoln?
The crazy thing is, like, it started out and, like, I've never had a real tree before, so I was ill-prepared for how, like, flimsy the branches are.
We didn't know.
As the month went on and the tree died a little more, they actually got a little more sturdy, which was nice.
Yeah.
So every day early on, we were having to re-put all the ornaments back on the tree.
Yeah, they kept falling off.
And then as the month went along, they stayed on, which was great.
Yeah, it really did hold up really well. Good afternoon, beautiful people. So today's the day we are taking down the Christmas tree. It is a little bittersweet because we love Christmas so much, and so having to say goodbye officially.
It's the last day of Christmas.
Why have one day of Christmas when you can have 12?
You coming up here too, buddy?
He wants to climb up too. Oh, there we go. It's a strong daddy. Yeah.
Christmas is basically like all of the holidays combined.
We like the excitement of it. We love Christmas more than any other holiday for sure. So we're actually looking into a few different schools for Lincoln because he is going to be starting kindergarten this year.
Oh my gosh,
which is just crazy. We have all the feels thinking about sending our baby off to kindergarten next year. And so anyways, we have a few different schools that we are looking into that are really great, that specialize with special needs children, and so we're wanting to just kind of connect with each of them and see what's really going to be the best fit for him. So we actually have a tour of a specific school this afternoon, so we're going to be heading out in a little bit and just kind of seeing what it's all about and if it would be a good fit for him. But I'm really excited about this next phase for him. He's just growing up so much and he's doing so well.
It's going to be amazing to see with this kind of thing how he can continue to progress over the next year. Like, I'm really excited about that, you know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely, because he's really just, he's becoming so much more aware of his surroundings and interacting more with others and just like appropriate play and that kind of stuff. It's just really cool to see him blossoming, and so I know that a school setting, especially where they specialize with special needs, that will be really great because they will be able to help encourage him in those areas. And they also offer therapies, like occupational therapy and that kind of stuff in school, so it could be something that we combine, which would be really, really great, because right now we're spending a lot of time going to different therapies and that kind of thing, so this would be really cool to have it in the school setting. So we want to go check that out in just a little bit, but we also just got a package in, and I'm really excited because we got kind of like a kitchen island. I think we're going to maybe make it more of like a peninsula off the end, but we need counter space, guys.
So bad.
This many children and making food all the time, and he's doing his food prep. He's been doing so well losing weight, but he's like having to cook so much and like really keep on top of all that. So this is going to be nice to have a little bit more counter space.
It's going to be amazing. I'm really, really excited about it.
Do you guys want to help Daddy carry the Christmas tree out and then maybe carry the big box inside? Lincoln's excited. You want to help? You can be a big helper, Lincoln. We might need to chop that up into some pieces if we're going to put it in the fire pit. Because that's not going to fit all in one. Are you guys sticky?
Sap all over my arms.
Oh man. Yeah, that probably happens over time because it's been cut down for a while. You can climb the walls.
Alright guys, who wants to go Cobra Kai on this tree and just...
Lincoln, you want to do it right?
He's like, I got it, I got it.
Bam, bam. I'll get it.
Yeah. Careful.
Faster.
We need a chainsaw like Phil.
I know, right? Now we have a little mini tree.
Oh.
For next year, we'll save that for next year. And
is that funny,
like a normal
Linky?
tree right here.
Yeah, that one actually still looks like a pretty normal tree.
That's pretty funny.
Wow.
How funny. You gotta be so careful with those clippers though, huh? Look at how strong Jude is.
Jude's
Come on, it's not that hard.
Jude the dude.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah,
Let's
Linky.
get to the actual tree itself.
Yeah.
There you
Look at all
go.
that sap, man.
Yeah. very sticky tree. We're not gonna make a fire yet though because we gotta go see your new school. Linky, do you wanna go see your new school? Yeah, that'll be fun. You can save all the little branches, huh?
All of them.
Yeah. Aim for the fire pit, not the brother. Whoop. He did it again. So, it's here. And the box is a little bit torn up, so hopefully there's no problems with that. But I am so excited. Linky, are you so excited?
I saw this box in the window. I walk up the street. I'm like,
there's a huge... Yeah, there's a huge box outside. Whoa! Good job, Lincoln. He's ready to go. We need to get a jacket on you. It's getting a little chilly, buddy. He's like, no, I'm ready to go right now. Lincoln, are you gonna run to the school? Go get your coat. You gotta get it. He's so naughty. Lincoln. Oh my goodness. Watch out for the bushes. We don't need another one of those face plants. Yeah, you are ready. Another package came in today for Jude, and those are pretty cool shoes, Jude. Safe to say he likes them. Those are cool. Those are really cool. I guess white shoes are like the thing because all of you kids now have like white shoes. Here we go. You are those handsome boys in the mirror. Oh, that's funny. Let's get zip it. Say, I have a nice brother. He's helping me. Yeah? Oh, no. You sneaking hats? We can get you your own hat.
can you zip it up?
Can you zip it? Here, Liam will help you zip. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Wow, Lincoln. He just zipped his jacket by himself for the first time. Well, Liam helped hold it, but he pulled it up by himself. That was awesome. Good job, guys. You're ready to go. Teamwork makes the dream work. We love that saying around here. Also, guys, this shirt just came in from Target, and that is perfect for Lincoln. I mean, absolutely perfect. So
I saw it the other day at Target, and they only had extra small, so I ordered it online, and it said it was back ordered for like 3 weeks, but they sent it like 3 days later. So
do you like that shirt, Lincoln?
Like it, buddy?
Yeah.
So
we'll put it on soon.
Say snacks?
He's like, I know, that's
like,
perfect for me. So the girls are gonna babysit for us for just a few minutes while we go take Lincoln to go check out the school, and we've got some sort of crazy game going on here of bottle flipping.
Bottle flipping the bottle onto the thing, and he's got it like 6 times before.
Okay, and what?
Is that crazy, Lincoln?
Oh!
That is pretty cool.
That was amazing. That was awesome. He did a shot the other day. He walked out this upstairs door, and he shot the basketball
from the balcony.
And it was first try. It was amazing. I was like, oh
yeah, I think we have that on Instagram, right?
He put it on his Instagram.
Yeah, that was a pretty cool thing.
I was like, I'm really proud right now. Let's go. You ready to see your new school?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay guys, so we just got home and the tour for Lincoln School went really, really well. I really loved the people that we met with. They just seemed so knowledgeable and really compassionate, and they were being so sweet with Lincoln. And Lincoln seemed to really like it. He was exploring and just very curious, and so I think it's a really good option. We are definitely going to be talking to a couple of other schools as well, just so that we can make sure that we have a really informed decision. But I think that this could be a really, really good school for Lincoln, so I'm really excited about that. We might actually start before August. because they have availability right now. So there's a lot that is a possibility, and I'm really excited about it. But we just got home, and the boys wanted to show me their Lego creations. And what do we have over here?
You know how we have the Jurassic World set? That's the Jeep with the RV on it.
Oh yeah, you got Jurassic World for Christmas.
And then we made some other things too.
Okay.
You know how there's made abandoned
Whoa.
abandoned.
Oh, the boat. A speedboat. That's cool.
And then if you've seen Star Wars, you'll know what a speeder is.
Oh yeah, like a Star Wars one?
Yeah.
Cool.
And then we made some hoverboards.
And some hoverboards?
Yep.
Wow,
But
you guys have
that actually hover.
a Spider-Man hoverboard.
That actually hover.
That actually hovers? Wow. That's cool, guys. You guys have been working on stuff, huh?
It goes like this.
Oh, it goes like that. Wow, that's amazing. Hey guys, high five.
Hey,
You guys are so creative.
We built all of these in one day.
I know, that's amazing.
Most of this one year.
So cool. So we got a fire going, of course, because it would not be complete. The evening would not be complete without a fire every single night.
The night is complete without a fire.
Linky, tell sister, say I had a good appointment at the school.
Did you have fun?
She got you. Say careful.
Bye.
Sounded like he said no, no. Wow. So this is going to be our kitchen island, and apparently.
I'll take this on a hiking backpack sometimes.
Hey, yeah, that'd be a good workout. Just put it in the little hiking backpack, and you'll be good.
Lincoln, right?
Oh, I am so excited about this. Like, this is Christmas for me right now.
I did the hard part so you can put it together.
Hey, I'm fine with that. You know, actually, I'm pretty handy with stuff, I would say. I wouldn't consider ourselves like DIYers, but we've actually done a good amount of projects before.
I'm agreeing with you, yes.
This shouldn't be too difficult to put together because, I mean, it's just a top and legs and stuff, so.
But it's a good size and it's beautiful. It matches the whole.
Yeah, I can't wait. Okay, let's open it up and show them. I'm a little concerned because the box is a little bit like torn up, so hopefully it's not damaged at all, but it's supposed to match the counters here, so let's give it a go. Okay, so we're trying to figure out if we like it in the middle here, which is a little bit of a narrow.
Kind of makes it a little claustrophobic, but it seems like it makes more sense.
Right. I mean, like there's a little bit of space over here, but then it just didn't seem like it was flowing well.
The feng shui is off.
I mean, there is space here. Like you can open the refrigerator doors and there's still plenty of space. I think the thing is that we just have so many people.
We have so many people.
That's, yeah. But we need the counter space, so
Yeah,
I think
it
we're
makes
gonna.
most sense here.
I think so too.
It seems the most. Maybe it's because it's the most like symmetrical.
Right. Yeah. I think so. I think I agree with you there. So let's try it like this, maybe for a few days and see. We can also put it over there and see. But I think I like it like this.
Yeah.
It's just hard when you're working with a smaller space than you're used to.
Yes.
But we are going to make this work for the next, what, 10 months or so.
Yes.
And I like that there's more, you know, shelving and stuff too, so.
You still in my broccoli?
Lincoln! Good thing that's not hot, buddy.
Yeah, it's a good thing it's off.
Goodness. He's like, I'll be your little kitchen helper. Yeah, oh, he did, he just twirled. Okay guys, so it's been a good day for the Millers, and we had a good time at Linky's school, right, Lincoln? You got some water?
Got my water.
Is that good water? Yeah. He's sharing with Daddy. But we've had a good day, right, Liam? And we are going to go ahead and
close it out.
Close it out here, guys. We are tired people. And it feels really late to us.
Yes. The other day, it was like 6, and I felt like it was 9. And she's like, it's only 6. I'm like,
yeah.
what?
You're like, we should probably be going to bed soon. And we're like, wait a minute, it's dinner time. Yeah, I keep forgetting.
I'm just waiting for Liam to like react and move me off.
He's like, yeah.
It's comfortable.
Is that really comfortable?
Yeah.
It's like a weighted blanket.
Bear, huh?
Yeah.
Am I warm?
Daddy's your weighted blanket.
I'm your weighted blanket teddy bear.
Minky, is that good water? You guys are so cute snuggling over there.
Yeah.
Playing Roblox.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're going to close this thing out, but we cannot wait to see you guys next time. You guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Say bye-bye.
He's like, let me think about it for a second. I'm not sure if I want to.
He's like in the middle of swallowing, so he's like, just 1 minute.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back